To even get a COVID test in Montreal means hours of waiting, wrapped around city blocks, as Quebec broke another record. More than 6,000 new COVID-19 cases. The Premier says by morning, expect 9,000 more.
We're keeping the limit of 10 people for Christmas, but I ask you to please cancel your Christmas parties if you can.
As of Boxing Day, private gathering limits in Quebec dropped to 6. Case records have also been shattered from BC in the west to all of Atlantic Canada, save Newfoundland and Labrador. The virus reaching across the country and up to the Prime Minister's staff. 3 aides and 3 of his security detail have all tested positive.
They're following all public health guidance. So am I, and so must we all. But it's a reminder that the virus is all around us. It's very much a threat. We have to keep our guard up.
Trudeau has tested negative. He isn't isolating, but is doing regular rapid antigen tests. His government sent more than 35 million of them to provinces and territories this month. Tens of millions more will be arriving, but not until the new year. There aren't enough to go around.
I was in line here by 5 o'clock.
Rapid tests won't be given out at Toronto's Union Station anymore because of the crowds they drew.
We have 1,000 tests, 1,000 people pretty quickly before we ever even begin to give them out.
For the second day at an Ottawa community centre, people lined up for hours.
So we stood out here for 4 hours waiting to get this. I'm not sure if it's worth it. I don't know. Hopefully it will be.
Long praised for its easy access to rapid tests, Nova Scotia will start restricting who can get one next week as cases skyrocket. It's also halved capacities in restaurants, stores, and homes. Newfoundland and Labrador closing bars and theatres.
Our fear is that if we start to see severe illness, it will overwhelm our healthcare system, which is already stretched.
As visitors to PEI now need to self-isolate for at least 4 days. Outbreaks have been declared at Charlottetown's hospital and a long-term care home. The Manitoba government will give out KN95 masks at Winnipeg liquor stores. That province is delaying the return to school for a few extra days.
It's probably more necessary now than ever.
Marina, do we know anything about how provinces are preparing hospitals for this wave?
Well, there are concerns about a staffing crunch as these Omicron cases rise, with people having to call in sick or self-isolate. And so the Ontario government is recommending that hospital staff still come to work even if they've been exposed to a close contact. They have to have no symptoms and test negative every day for 10 days. Asha.
Okay, thank you, Marina.